Welcome to this restorative yoga practice specially designed to help heal pelvic floor dysfunction. My name is Bobby and I will be your guide throughout this practice. Please consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise routine. Pelvic floor dysfunction can cause a range of symptoms including pain, discomfort, and difficulty with bladder and bowel control. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including childbirth, surgery, and hormonal change. Yoga can help alleviate symptoms and improve overall pelvic health by increasing blood flow, reducing tension, and strengthening the pelvic floor muscles. Let's start with some gentle warm-up poses to awaken our pelvic floor muscles. Move into comfortable seated position with your back straight and your feet planted firmly on the ground. Take a deep breath in and as you exhale, gently tilt your pelvis upwards and then back down again. Repeat for 5 rounds. Now let's practice legs up the wall pose. Lie on your back with your legs up against a wall. Relax your entire body, feeling the gentle stretch in your lower back and pelvis. Hold for 5 breaths, feeling calm and relaxed. Next, let's practice reclined pigeon pose. Lie on your back and bring one knee into your chest. Place your ankle in front of your opposite knee. Relax your entire body, feeling the gentle stretch in your hips and pelvis. Hold for 5 breaths and then switch sides. Now let's practice reclined spinal twist. Lie on your back and bring one knee into your chest. Let your knee fall to one side, keeping your spine long. Relax your entire body, feeling the gentle stretch in your spine and pelvis. Hold for 5 breaths and then switch sides. Finally, let's practice Savasana. Lie on your back with your arms and legs relaxed. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Feel the calmness and relaxation separate through your entire body. Hold for 10 breaths, feeling completely relaxed and ease. Take a few final deep breaths, feeling the relaxation and calmness separate through your entire body. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling refreshed and renewed. Thank you for practicing yoga with me today. Remember to listen to your body and modify or rest when needed. Consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise routine. Subscribe for more yoga practice and wellness tips.